Okay, this is Willow Lake Preserve, the pride and joy of New York City. Let's see if they cleaned it up since 2017. Nice and inviting. And then by the looks of it, it hasn't changed since 2017. Wow. This is supposed to be the pride and joy of New York City. Wow. This is really, really bad. Okay. Looks like we might have to walk it through again. Let's see. Yeah. The muck is pretty bad. Oh, yeah, it's still pretty bad. They put pallets by the look of it. You still have to walk across it. Still pretty nasty though. Yeah, it's still pretty nasty. Yep. Still hasn't changed much. Still as nasty as it ever was. As you can see. I'm having to walk my bike through it. And this is a fat tire bike. Designed for this kind of stuff. Wow. This is really bad. Wow, this is bad. Yep, I have to get back off and walk it through again. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Okay. Still as nasty as it always was. And they did nothing to fix it. After this little bridge here, it's a nice section. I'll see you when I get there.